for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.